What's on TV?
Crazy Brice.
Crazy Brice. 7:58. Friday morning. It is storming outside like hardcore. Just woke up. Let's see what we got for the day.
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again.
Oh dear.
I'm home with the two youngins, Zoe and Bella. Hi.
Hi.
Making some boiled eggs this morning. Should be done in about 10 minutes. And this is me straight out of bed. I was having a conversation with a friend of mine. Vloggers always appear to be like perfect, right? Always, you know, hair done, clothes on, blah, blah, blah. I think it's really cool to show more realness and not always be perfect. Hey! So anyways, today was kind of a start of that, is to not always, you know, look a certain way or have everything perfect, you know, sit behind us, but just, you know, I believe that a vlog about a daily life needs to show a daily life. It doesn't always need to be perfect. For all of you husbands out there, if you don't help your wife by doing things around the house, like cleaning the dishes and emptying the dishwasher, getting loads of laundry started, start doing that. Benefits to doing the wash. The wash pixies go and tell your wife, and your wife brings you back coffee. Thank you. Thank you so much. Got the dishes washed, cleaned up some of the kids' toys. It's rather unorganized, but we had to throw some away. Parents, you know how that is. Anyways, about to go take a quick shower, and me and the wifey are gonna go drop the kids off at the babysitter's, and then we're gonna go see a movie. Deuces.
Yeah. Should've never let us in. I jumped off stage, I need medicine, cause I got so high I think I hit a fan.
Just dropped the kids off. By kids, I mean the two younger ones, Bella, Zoe. And we are going to go see a movie. We're running a bit late, but hey, previews are like 30 minutes long, so there's that. That's an interesting looking.
Yeah, it is. I'm not sure what it is.
It's
water.
like a
It's water
torture silo.
or water purification.
Or water purification. Could be a torture silo. So I know what you're thinking. Are you in a minivan? You would be right, but before you judge, okay, this is the only vehicle that I could find where I could legitimately shoot a rocket launcher out of, blow up some little boy who's trying to date my daughter without harming my vehicle. Just
like that.
sling one of the doors open and then hang there with a rocket launcher.
What is that, a bazooka?
Safety first while shooting a rocket launcher out of your car. Turn the electrical off so you can open it manually.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
So, movie was awesome. I am headed to go get the younger two, Isabella and Zoe. by the way, I want to say thank you to everyone who has watched episode 1 and episode 2. Last time I looked, I've been getting some good comments, you know, a little bit of chatter on there. And I gotta say, like, even some of them are from people I know, which is cool, but I've gotten 1 or 2 from people I don't know, which is awesome. And that really kind of pushes me to keep doing this. The whole process of doing it, shooting things, editing it, developing a story in it all, and hopefully giving you something that is entertaining and keeps you through the very end.
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
You want to tell me what Daddy did? I forgot my batteries in my camera. I know. So we have to use the cell phone. Lily, where are we eating? Bricks.
So the cops shut the cops down.
It's a pizza party, yo. Pizza party, yo. It's a pizza party, yo. Pizza party, yo.
So the cops shut the party down.